Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by preparing the essentials. Make sure WhatsApp is updated and the app has camera permission. Once done, open WhatsApp and navigate to Settings. On Android, tap the three dots. On iPhone, tap Settings at the bottom. Now, look for the linked devices or QR code option immediately. This is where scanning begins. You want minimal distractions and the camera ready. If the camera prompt appears, allow it. This lets WhatsApp access the scanner, so you can proceed without interruption. You now run the actual scan. Tap linked devices, then link a device to open WhatsApp's built-in scanner. Position your phone so the QR code fills the scanning frame. Move closer or back about 0.5 to 1 meter until the app focuses. Hold steady. The app detects the pattern and processes it automatically. If it does not read, change angle, increase light, or tap refresh to reload the code. This step links accounts or confirms identity, which is why a clear, stable image matters. Once the scanner accepts the code, WhatsApp will display a confirmation and add the device under linked devices. You can name the session or tap Done to finish. Make sure to review active sessions and sign out of any you don't recognize. Security matters. If scanning fails repeatedly, first check camera permissions, then update WhatsApp, and finally restart the app or clear cache. Doing these steps resolves most issues. If problems keep occurring, try another light source or a different device to rule out hardware.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.